From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air in your home? What if I told you there's a solution that can change that instantly? The cold mist humidifier from Fed is here to revolutionize your space. This top-rated product is a game-changer. With its lightning-fast and easy setup, you can have it up and running in no time. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, making it a well-reviewed and popular choice among those looking for a reliable humidifier. One of the standout features of this product is the top water injection port design, which allows for fast and easy filling. With a simple twist of the top cover, you can add water as needed. The open water tank and waterway make cleaning a breeze. With every corner accessible for direct cleaning by hand, you can ensure the hygienic operation of the humidifier. The double-layer protection feature is also a major advantage. With a built-in water level monitoring and anti-dry burning sensor, the device will automatically stand by when it detects a lack of water, preventing dry burning and extending the service life of the atomizer. In real-life use, this humidifier has been a lifesaver for people who suffer from dry skin or congestion. The cool mist it produces is like a breath of fresh air, filling the room with a soothing and calming atmosphere. The sound it makes is barely noticeable, a gentle hum that fades into the background, allowing you to focus on your daily activities. Whether you're looking to relieve sinus pressure or simply add some moisture to the air, this humidifier is the perfect solution. With its easy setup, efficient performance, and low maintenance, it's no wonder why this product is a favorite among many, so why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.